How to install WordPress on localhost in XAMPP on Windows 10 11. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to install our WordPress on XAMPP over here. So to get started, what you're first going to do is you're going to, of course, download our XAMPP over here. You're going to simply search XAMPP, even if just missing a P over here, and you will be able to see the first link over here. Simply download the corresponding version for whether it's for Windows, Linux, or OS over here. And after this, you can easily install this app without doing much of an effort. After that, this is what it should look like when you open it. Just open this one over here. And this is what you're going to see. Now, before I get started over here, what you're going to do next is you're going to look through or search for WordPress download. Open the first link that you're going to see, and you're going to download the latest version over here. As you can see, download WordPress 6.61. This is the version by the time I'm making this video. So download that first, and you will be able to get a zip version of our WordPress over here. What you're going to do with that zip version or zip is that you're going to export it. Now, where will you export the WordPress? What you're going to do is you're going to, after installing XAMPP over here, find the location of which you have uploaded XAMPP or rather installed XAMPP and open the files. This is what you're going to see. Navigate to HDocs or htdocs over here, and this is where you will be exporting it. As you can see, I have my WordPress over here. This is where I exported my WordPress. Now over here, what you could do is you could actually rename WordPress to whatever name your website is going to be. So that is something you will be able to do. I did not rename mine, as you can see, so it's still WordPress over here for the sake that you guys could recognize where I have placed it. But anyway, quick recall, locate XAMPP, the installation folder, navigate to htdocs, and paste it over here. This is where you're going to export it. Now going back to XAMPP over here, what you're going to start is the Apache and MySQL. There we go. Simply wait for it, and you would know once it started. As you can see, there will be a green indicator that it has started over here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select admin on the MySQL side. There we go. Let's wait for it to open. This is going to open our SQL, or it should open our SQL. And in this section, I'm wondering why it's not working. In this section, this is where you should be able to create a database. Now, why are we creating a database? It is where the files, of course, and the different information will be stored when you create your WordPress. So, first things first, click on the new over here on the top left or this left side. Create a database name. Doesn't matter. You could name it after your website. So let's say web data, like that, and click on create. There we go. Now after this, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. Going to the link localhost and WordPress. There we go. It should name, or the name of the URL over here should be the name of your file over here. So whatever your website name is. So in my case, it was WordPress. And what would happen here is that it will locate through our localhost the WordPress file that we have, which is over here. So it's having a hard time, I guess, again. Looking for it. So let's try it over here, localhost WordPress. Yeah, it should be the same. link. Oh, there we go. I have already finished the introduction. As you can see, this is what you would see. I made the website already, but this is what you will be able to get with the default WordPress over here, which is it is getting it over here, and it's looking for the local website testing, as you can see, which is somewhere over here. Through that, you will be able to have WordPress over here. So what I want to do actually is let's see if I could start it from the top. Let's look for my WordPress over here. Press. Here we go. This was my WordPress, and let me delete whatever I had. So I want to show you guys the setup. It wasn't showing earlier. I believe it's because I have already set it up earlier. But anyway, let me delete this one for now. It's going to be quite big. After doing that, do this, extract all. Then let's browse where we will be extracting it. Same file, where is it? XAMPP, htdocs, and select folder, extract. And we will be able to extract it just like this. So it might take a while. It's a bit big, but anyway, what you would typically see when you first open it with this link is that it should show like a setup like what you would typically see when you first run your WordPress. You should see the dashboard and everything, and after that you're basically going to log in your SQL over here or your PHP admin. It's like going to ask you for a username and password. If you have a fresh PHP admin or like you didn't do too much modification, the name would be, or the username that it would ask you to log in would always be the name user or other root. So the password would be, let's put it here. The password would be root, and the password, or rather the account name, the username is root. And most cases, the password is empty. There's no string here, so you don't need to really put any words into that. And you could easily log in and utilize the specific database that you're trying to use. But anyway, I don't think it will catch up over here. I don't think it will be able to finish with our time over here. But anyway, just do that. If you see any setup, I think you guys will be able to handle it, because you will be able to successfully open it, just like what I did over here. I was able to open our WordPress over here anyway, but it was already set. Anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.